Okay, so here's the thing about WordPress, at least for me, I've been using it a long time. And when there's something I don't really like, I will go back in a heartbeat and change it. So after I did that coming soon page, I was looking on that listing and I was like, you know what? I think there has to be a maintenance page or a coming soon page that's easier than what we just used. And I found one. So I wanted you to quickly see that I now have, let me see if I can blow up my screen a little bit here. There's two coming soon plugins. So I deactivated the one that was there. It was by Seed Prod. And I activated the one called Coming Soon by WP Dev Art. And that one actually shows up on the side here. So I wanted you to see um, if you get a plugin that you don't really understand or it doesn't work the way you want it, you can always deactivate it and try a new one. And I like this one because it's already kind of pre-built with some things. I actually have it up here. And so it already comes with a background image. It already had the coming soon and it already had a message. So what I want to quickly do is I don't really like the page part, so I'm going to take that off. I want to put coming soon with an exclamation point. Okay with that. I didn't like that they had a logo there. So I'm going to hide that because we don't really have a logo. So I'll just hide that and save. I do really like the background image that we had before. And so I'm going to go back to our media library and pull that back up. I think it's this big one here. So I'm going to insert that into the post so that we can kind of customize that a little bit. And I think I wanted to, let me see what else. Go back to that page. I want to change some of this text here too. So that was real simple. It's under here called message. And these were kind of, and the nice thing about this is if you wanted to upgrade, you don't have to. But they have some nice features like a countdown, a progress bar, and even if you want people to subscribe to your mailing list. So that was something not in that other one. It might have been too because they had a pro version too, but they didn't sell it as well as this one did. All right, so let's go back to message. And I don't want to say we'll be back soon because we're actually brand new. So I'm going to do something, kind of type the same thing I had before. Thank you for visiting my website. We will launch the new website. And I said very soon the last time. Sometimes it helps to give people a month or a date. So we can say we will launch the new website. Maybe give yourself 2 or 3 weeks according to when this recording is. So maybe you want to give people a definite date. Definitely want to make that bigger again. So we'll go with heading 2 again. And with that, save that section. So let's see. I think everything is saved. So let's go and do a refresh and see how that looks. Oh, well, it did everything except take the background. So let's background image. Let me try that again. Show. See what happened there. Attach post URL. Maybe I didn't do that. Maybe I didn't attach or file URL. That's what we want. So that was a little tricky. That one you had to have the file URL. Let's see if that will make that work. Okay, so that's important. Now it shows the JPEG. So this time after I hit save, it should actually show the page with the background, hopefully. There it goes. Okay, so that looks a lot better than the coming soon page that we had before. And like I said, I just wanted to show you that there are options. You don't have to stay stuck with something that you don't want. So now we're going to actually go to build some pages, and this will be what visitors will see as we do our creating of our new website behind the scenes.